with our shake cap and our bend up. We'll do the following steps. So first we're going to cut our decking back so we get airflow from the attic so we can vent it. And then we're going to come back with our batten buildup. So we can do a traditional buildup of 2x2s, one on top of each other, or we can come back with our ridge riser brackets. It's one 2x2 and then bend these according to the height that we need. Now the height is very important when I'm building these up because we need to have our cap a 1/2 inch off of our panels so we can get that airflow going. So make sure that we build this up correctly, and that will change with pitches of roof. After that, we go ahead and take our unified steel ridge vent and we place that on our 2x2s just like so. Then we're going to come back with our panel. We're going to fold it up 2 inches and then we'll install these. The front nose we're going to install like normal. And the back shelf, we're going to go ahead and fasten these into our 2x2. We need to make sure we don't over tighten these because we don't want to block the airflow with our venting. We're going to do both sides of this. And then we're going to come back with our cap, and our cap will sit right on that 2x2 that we've adjusted to the right height to make sure that we're a 1/2 inch off of our panel. And then we'll fasten these into that 2x2.